Productivity is simply about accomplishing things you couldn't do before. In today's episode titled Maximizing Productivity, the ultimate guide to staying productive 98% of the time, will show you how to stay productive almost all the time. Stick around till the end, and we'll share the secrets that will keep you from feeling lazy ever again. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's get started. Starting at number 8, be in an environment that is comfortable and helps you get inspired. When it comes to being productive, we often forget about one important factor: our environment. You know, the places where we work, study, or spend most of our time. It might not seem like a big deal, but trust me, it matters more than you think. See, when you're in a space that feels comfortable and sparks your creativity, it's easier to get things done. Imagine being in a cozy cafe with your favorite drink, soft music playing in the background, and just the right amount of background chatter. That kind of environment can boost your mood and motivation, making tasks feel less daunting. Eat healthier and less processed food. We've all heard the cliche, "you are what you eat," and it turns out there's a lot of truth to that saying. What you put into your body can have a big impact on how you feel and function throughout the day. That's why eating healthier and cutting back on processed foods is essential for your overall well-being. When you fuel your body with nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, you're giving yourself the energy and nutrients you need to thrive. These foods provide a steady source of fuel for your brain and body, helping you stay focused and alert. On the other hand, processed foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives can leave you feeling sluggish and drained. Number 6. Have a general guideline for a routine. To know what to do for the day can be like having a roadmap for your journey. That's where having a routine comes in handy. It's like having a set plan for how your day will unfold. You wake up, you know what comes next, and so on. It gives you a sense of structure and predictability, which can be comforting. Establishing a routine can indeed be beneficial. It guarantees that crucial chores are completed and keeps you organized. Plus, it can free up mental energy that you might otherwise spend on deciding what to do next. Instead, you can focus that energy on actually doing the tasks at hand. Number 5. Categorize things to be more efficient. Are you familiar with the Eisenhower matrix? It's an easy-to-use yet effective tool for setting priorities for jobs according to their significance and urgency. Let's dissect it. There are 4 types of tasks: not urgent nor important, urgent but not important, important but not urgent, and neither urgent nor important. Categorizing tasks helps you focus on what truly matters and allocate your time and resources accordingly. Your highest priority tasks are those that fit into the categories of important and urgent. These are the things that, if neglected, will have serious repercussions, thus they must be completed right away. Consider deadlines, crises, or urgent matters that require your quick attention. By identifying these tasks, you can tackle them head-on and prevent them from being even more urgent. The jobs that are important but not urgent come next. These are the things that don't need to be done right now, but nonetheless advance your long-term objectives and general well-being. Planning, strategic thinking, and personal development exercises are a few examples. While they may not be urgent, neglecting them can lead to missed opportunities or increased stress down the line. By recognizing their importance, you can schedule time to work on them proactively. Conversely, although they could appear urgent, Jobs that are urgent but not important don't fit with your long-term objectives or priorities. These tasks often arise from other people's agendas or distractions that divert your attention from what truly matters. It's essential to assess whether these tasks are worth your time and delegate or defer them if possible to focus on what's truly important. Lastly, we have tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are the tasks that can wait or may not be worth doing at all. They include trivial activities, distractions, or time wasters that offer little value in achieving your goals. By recognizing these tasks for what they are, you can minimize or eliminate them altogether, freeing up more time and energy for what truly matters to you. Know that organizing tasks can definitely be helpful. When you know exactly what needs to be done and when, it's easier to tackle your to-do list without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, categorizing tasks can help you see the patterns and identify areas where you might be spending too much or too little time. Number 4. Get better sleep, 6 to 8 hours. Sleep is an essential part of life, and getting enough of it is crucial for our overall well-being. You see, when we sleep, our bodies and brains recharge, helping us feel refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. But did you know that the quality of our sleep also plays a big role in our cognitive function and productivity? It's true. When we get enough high-quality sleep, we think more clearly, make better decisions, and have more energy to get things done. When we're well rested, our brains function at their best. We're able to focus more effectively, solve problems more creatively, and retain information more efficiently. This means that tasks that might have seemed challenging or overwhelming when we're tired suddenly become more manageable. Plus, when we're feeling alert and energized, we're more motivated to tackle our to-do list and accomplish our goals. Not only does quality sleep improve our cognitive function, but it also has a positive impact on our moods and emotional well-being. When we're sleep-deprived, we're more likely to feel irritable, stressed, and easily overwhelmed. On the other hand, when we get enough rest, we're better equipped to handle the ups and downs of daily life, which can contribute to a more positive and productive mindset. Number 3. Reduce your dopamine. Dopamine plays a big role in how we feel pleasure and motivation. It's like a reward chemical in our brains that makes us feel good when we do something enjoyable, like eating our favorite food or winning a game. But here's the thing. Too much dopamine can actually be a bad thing when it comes to productivity. That's because it can lead to distractions and make it harder for us to stay focused on the task at hand. By minimizing distractions and dopamine-inducing activities, we can improve our ability to concentrate and get things done. You see, when we're constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, and social media updates, our brains are constantly seeking out that next hit of dopamine. This can make it hard for us to stay focused on our work and lead to procrastination and decreased productivity. But when we reduce our exposure to these distractions and limit activities that trigger dopamine release, we give our brains a chance to focus on what's important. We're able to devote more time and energy to our tasks without constantly being pulled away by external stimuli. And as a result, we're able to work more efficiently and effectively, ultimately boosting our productivity. Number 2. Have a clear goal. Setting goals is the first step in making the impossible possible. When we have a clear goal in mind, it gives us something to work towards. It's like having a destination for our journey. It helps us stay focused and motivated, even when things get tough. Without clear goals, we might feel lost or unsure on what we're working towards. But with a clear goal, we know exactly what we want to achieve, and we can align our daily efforts with our long-term objectives. Setting meaningful goals provides us with direction and purpose. It's like having a roadmap for our journey. It helps us navigate through life's ups and downs and stay on track towards our dreams. When we know what we're working towards, it's easier to stay motivated and keep pushing forward, even when obstacles arise. Plus, having a clear goal gives us something to celebrate when we achieve it, which can boost our confidence and motivation even further. But setting goals isn't just about motivation, it's also about enhancing our productivity. When we have a clear goal in mind, it helps us prioritize our tasks and focus our energy on what truly matters. We're able to filter out distractions and make decisions that align with our long-term objectives, ultimately leading to greater efficiency and effectiveness in our work. In other words, setting clear goals helps us work smarter, not harder, by ensuring that our efforts are directed towards achieving meaningful outcomes. And number 1, work towards where you want to be in 10 years. Working towards where you want to be is something we often hear about when it comes to setting goals. But what does it really mean? Well, it's all about focusing on your long-term aspirations and dreams, those big goals that you want to achieve in the next 10 years or so. When you have a clear vision of where you want to be in the future, it helps guide your daily actions and decisions, making sure they're aligned with your broader objectives. Focusing on long-term aspirations is like having a North Star to guide you. It gives you a sense of direction and purpose, helping you stay motivated and committed to your goals even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Instead of getting bogged down by short-term distractions or setbacks, you're able to keep your eyes on the prize and stay focused on what truly matters. But here's the thing. Focusing on long-term aspirations isn't just about motivation, it's also about productivity. When you know where you want to be in the next 10 years, it helps you prioritize your tasks and allocate your time and resources more effectively. You're able to filter out distractions and make decisions that move you closer to your goals, ultimately leading to a greater productivity and success in the long run. And that's how you can boost your productivity. If you found today's video helpful and learned something new, we'd love for you to show your support. Give this video a thumbs up, share your own productivity tips in the comment, and pass it along to others who could benefit. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for tuning in, Luxo lovers. See you next time.